Hi! In front of me is REALME GT 2 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this REALME. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display and brightness. After that, scroll down again, click on font and select the best font style for you. You can see a preview above. When you're ready, save your changes by tapping on Apply at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!